Riley Grace is having her first hush puppy. And she has the hiccups. Although Carl says that's not a hush puppy. He said it's a hush squirmy. I think she likes it. What happens if you take it away? You want some more? More? Where'd it go? You want more? I think she likes it. We're at the Seafood Hut. It's March 3rd. Her first trip to the beach this weekend. Is that a French fry?
No.
Still
the
the
other
hush
end of the
puppy.
hush puppy.
Oh, still the hush puppy. Pretty good stuff, huh?